In this lesson, we're going to be solving problems with rational numbers from 7th grade Unit 5, Lesson 14. So today, you want to be able to represent situations with expressions that include rational numbers and solve problems using all four operations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing with rational numbers. So let's review some of the rules we learned throughout this unit. First, to subtract an integer, you can add its opposite. So if you have a problem that's like a minus b, that's the same thing as a plus the opposite of b. Also, if a minus b equals x, we can add b to both sides to get that a equals x plus b. I kind of like to think of this as helping us to solve some subtraction problems. You can think of the answer to a subtraction problem as, what do I have to add to b to get to a? Also, don't forget about multiplying and dividing. A negative multiplied or divided by a positive always equals a negative. A positive multiplied or divided by a negative is a negative. And whenever you have a negative multiplied or divided by a negative, you get a positive. Let's use these rules and put them together to actually solve a problem. So here's the problem. You owe your sister $14. Each week you wait to pay her back, she charges you an extra $2.50. She is smart. She's trying to make some money. You earn $20 and then pay your sister 3 weeks from now. What will your balance be? Okay. So we can think of this problem represented as negative 14, because you owe her 14, plus negative 250 times 3, because you're getting charged $250 for 3 weeks. Plus, you earn $20, so that one's positive for you. If we solve this using the order of operations, we can multiply negative 250 by 3 first and get negative 750. So we have negative 14 plus negative 750 plus 20. If I just add a little bit at a time, the first two, they're both negative, so they pull left. They add up to negative 2150. And when I add the 20 to that, I get negative 150. So my balance is still going to be in the negatives, and I would owe my sister $1.50. So you better get paying her back, or you're just going to get more and more broke. All right, so what we learned today, we can apply all we've learned about operations with signed numbers to real-life problems, even those that involve more than one operation.